This is Tim Cook of Apple. And this is one of the most dramatic Michael Bay explosion scenes that you'll ever see in an iPhone. Literally. And so, we created iCloud. It's a cloud with an eye on it. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, I know, that is bad music. Yeah. Also, I am Tim Cook, if I didn't say it already. Maybe I didn't. Did I? I don't even care, I have bad memory. Anyways, so I invented something called iOS. It's an operating system where every single icon has to be an eyeball. Cool, right? Yeah. Also, I invented the iPhone. Even though Steve Jobs technically did that before me, I am the true hero in all of this. Right? Say it with me. Alright. And that is why I'm here. Because I am dumb and you are dumber. Yeah, that's really mean, but you know, I'm Tim Cook, so I don't care. Alright. And now for an Apple keynote. Dun 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 dun. Hi. This is an Apple keynote where I am part of Steam Cook's team. And I am now going to show you my mouth. It's the new product of the century. Alright, we don't need to hear about him, of course. Let's move on. No, literally, I'm stopping this right now. Like and subscribe to Funny Guy. Yeah, I don't think I'm really that funny. Do you think so? Who cares?